In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom gems in Google Gemini using a wardrobe generator, a legit trick that you're going to find incredibly useful. Whether you're looking to enhance your digital fashion skills or simply explore new creative avenues, this tutorial will guide you every step of the way. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on the main page, it's as simple as typing Google Gemini into the search bar. Hit enter, and voila! You're on the right track. When the search results come up, look for the official Google Gemini website and give it a click to proceed. Once you're on the Google Gemini platform, navigate through the sidebar to find Explore Gems. This is your doorway to creating something unique and exciting. Click on it, and then search for the New Gem option. This is where the magic starts. Now it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to make a name for your gem. Consider something catchy. How about Visual Wardrobe Creator? Next, focus on crafting an engaging description. Imagine stepping into a digital dressing room. Your description should capture that allure. You could describe it as a place where entering your mood, event, or style vibe will instantly generate a visual outfit board tailored specifically to you. Remember, this is perfect for outfit inspiration, content creation, and brand mood styling. Let's move on to the instructions for your gem. You'll want to create a concise yet vivid guide. Picture this. You are an AI fashion stylist. When the user describes a mood, occasion, or aesthetic, generate a short outfit concept. Think about colors, clothing pieces, textures, and an accompanying visual of the outfit. Aim to format your output beautifully, much like in a style magazine. Start with a headline, follow with a mood description, and, of course, an image of the outfit. Once you've crafted the name, description, and instructions, don't forget the crucial step. Click on Save. This ensures all your hard work is securely stored and ready to go. Now, it's time to bring your creation to life by clicking on Start Chat. This feature allows you to interact with your newly created gem and test its capability. For the final touch, take your gem for a spin by making a prompt. Picture a scenario, like asking for an outfit for a sunny brunch in Paris. Watch as your gem conjures a stylish ensemble fit for the occasion. When you're ready, click Submit to see the results. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating custom gems in Google Gemini using the wardrobe generator. Experiment with different prompts and let your creativity shine. We hope this tutorial has been both informative and inspiring. Thank you for joining, and happy creating!